Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by isolating the display problem. Check cables, power, and an external monitor to confirm output. Once done, boot into safe mode or use your system's display revert shortcut to regain a usable desktop. This prevents the black screen from persisting. Make sure you have the correct display driver file downloaded and ready, and keep a second display, video adapter, or smartphone camera handy to capture any error messages. This initial setup speeds the fix and avoids guessing at causes. Now you'll restore a compatible resolution and repair drivers. You should open display settings and set a safe low resolution like 800x600 or the panel's native value. This prevents the GPU from pushing an unsupported mode. Next, open Device Manager, uninstall or roll back the display adapter driver, and remove any leftover custom profiles. Once completed, reboot into normal mode. Then install the manufacturer's validated driver so Windows uses the proper edit and refresh. Finish by applying the correct resolution and refresh rate that match your display's specs. You must do this before full-screen apps to avoid recurrence. Once set, verify with different HDMI/DP cables or another port, and if present, switch to the integrated GPU to isolate the discrete card. If the black screen persists after driver reinstall, perform a system restore to the point before the change or reset BIOS display defaults. This recovers prior settings. Quick test: connect an external monitor to confirm GPU output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.